This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hey everyone, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Today we're checking out Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, a powerful new tool for creating AI creators. With one unified character builder, 90+ creative controls, and HD video output, it lets you design, animate, and bring digital influencers to life. Let's jump in. Click on AI Influencer Studio and follow along carefully. Here you go. Follow all the instructions and don't miss a thing. Make a choice based on your preference. It's very easy. Explore and enjoy. These are the simple steps to create your own AI influencer. It's quick, easy, and straightforward. You may not need every feature, so don't worry if you're unsure which tabs to use. Just focus on the ones that fit what you're trying to create. It's clear these features are impressive and can help you create top-notch AI influencers. You wouldn't want to keep that to yourself, right? Go ahead and share this with your friends so they can enjoy the same benefits. You can easily customize your avatar's appearance, from facial features to body type and style, and the process is both fun and highly efficient. The whole process only takes a few seconds to complete, and the results are impressive. You'll love how quickly everything comes together. Choose your reaction style from the amazing options. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Don't forget to share this with as many people as possible so others can enjoy it too. Now let's create another one, this time a female character. The process is the same, so just follow the same steps. Higgsfield is constantly improving to deliver a better user experience. So far, it's one of the best platforms I've encountered, combining image, text, and video creation all in one place. Let me introduce you to the Higgsfield Earn platform, a place where you can get paid for your content. Create AI videos, share them on social media, and earn rewards based on your views and performance. Be sure to check out all the important details and register as soon as possible to start earning. Content creation can be highly rewarding, and the sooner you get started, the more opportunities you'll have to make money. And that's a wrap on Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. Now you know how to create, customize, and bring your AI influencers to life, and even earn from your content. Don't forget to try it out, share your creations, and explore all the amazing features for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.